To meet evolving challenges and seize new opportunities in aerospace, A-Star, Rolls-Royce and SAESL came together to establish the Smart Manufacturing Joint Lab. Based in Singapore, the collaboration rethinks how aerospace manufacturing and MRO can be done through smart technologies and automation.
Collaboration is the cornerstone of what we do at Rolls-Royce, and a partner-led approach is what we believe gets the best for everybody. The Smart Manufacturing Joint Lab set out to improve that even further, and through working with A-Star, local OEMs, we've been able to improve our efficiency through that facility by 20% since 2017. We can now actually see through the Smart Manufacturing Joint Lab too that we will further increase our throughput through the same factory by up to 30%.
For SAESL, the challenge lies in scaling capacity and advancing capabilities whilst maintaining world-class safety and quality standards. Our partnership with A-Star and Singapore's SME ecosystem has been instrumental in accelerating innovation. SMJL has transformed the way we work, driving efficiency, strengthening our MRO capabilities, and reinforcing SAESL's position as a global leader in Rolls-Royce Trent engine MRO.
In Singapore, strong public-private partnerships have allowed us to create thriving ecosystems where companies can test and scale new ideas very quickly. Now, this collaborative ecosystem will continue to make Singapore a trusted partner for global manufacturers to anchor your best-in-class facilities, develop world-leading technologies, and create good jobs for our workforce.
Over the years, we recognize the value of depth in technology translation, where promising research does not scale or deliver a clear business case. A-Star provides an industrial-scale sandbox where end users, technology providers, Singapore enterprises and researchers work together to innovate better and faster than working alone.
We bring the right capabilities together. We also create pathways for our local SMEs to co-develop solutions with us, helping them build the capabilities needed to support global industry leaders like Rolls-Royce and SAESL.
The collaboration has delivered measurable results, boosting productivity and sustainability in aerospace manufacturing and MRO.
My role is to implement manufacturing technologies that enhance our fan-blade production. Working on these projects has shown me how technology can transform the way we manufacture. It's rewarding to see how automation not only boosts productivity and safety, but also prepares our operations to scale for future demand.
When I first started as a technician, most inspections were done manually. Automation has changed the way we work. I spend less time on repeated checks and more time on high-value tasks.
Working with A-Star strengthened our technical capability with large industrial partners. We have seen revenue grow of around 15% and expand our team. Our engineer will also upskill in automation and inspection workflow, which we now apply across other projects.
The Smart Manufacturing Joint Lab gives us the opportunity to enter the aerospace industry by applying our automation expertise from solar technology. Working closely with A-Star and Rolls-Royce help us build credibility in aerospace and open doors to more advanced manufacturing projects.
This isn't just about solving today's challenges. It's about how industry, research, and the wider ecosystem come together to shape what's next in aerospace and MRO. Join us to innovate and build the future of aerospace together.